Hello, my dear students. In this question, it is mentioned the following relation record the age of 500 employees of a company where employee number indicate employee number is the key. MP number is means what? Employee number is the we have employee age table in which we have employee number and its age. Consider the following relational algebra expression: pi employee number, and it is a conditional join employee age where, and here renaming employee number 1 age 1 of employee age where age is greater than age 1. Okay, what does the above expression generate? So option A, employee number of only those employee whose age is the maximum. Second, employee number of those employee whose age is more than age of exactly any one other employee. Option C, employee number of all employees whose age is not minimum. Option D, employee number of all employees whose age is the minimum. Okay, so first we'll write the query. What is mentioned? Pi, we have to find employee number. There is a conditional join employee age, conditional join what? Age is greater than age 1, age is greater than age 1, and we done the renaming employee number 1 and age 1 employee age table. Employee age table, my employee age table. Getting my point? ये अपना query है, and here what I am doing, here I am checking, please try to understand, here I am checking कि this age is greater than age 1, mean to say वो लेते हैं practical example के साथ. Okay, so here we are making one table. That table name is what? EMP age, in which we have employee ID and age, E1, E2 and E. 25, 30, you take it, 30, 40 and 50. And the next table same, but it is known as now, here it we had done the renaming employee number 1, and age 1, because we have employee number now. Here we have employee number, not employee ID, employee number. So my dear student, we have E1, E2 and E3, 30, 40 and 50. 30, 40 and 50. Now what is the condition? This is, you can say, employee age 1, table number 1. So here what is the condition? Age is greater than age 1. Age is greater than age 1, my dear. Age is greater than age 1. So what you select when you do the cross product? सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? Cross product करेंगे तो 3 into 3 9 tuples आ जाएंगे. Now we are comparing, my dear student. Like here you can see 30, E1 30 is greater than any? No. But when you check E2 40, which is greater than 30? Yes, this one is satisfying. This one is satisfying. When we check E3 50, this one is greater than 30 and this 50 is greater than 40 also. So what will fetch? We will fetch E2 and E3, my dear. E2 and E3. तो यहाँ आपको क्या क्या मिला? We find the employee number E2 and E3. Okay, E2 and E3. Now here you can see what is the meaning of E2 and E3. E2 and E3 are the employee number. E2 and E3 are the employee number whose age is greater than what I am getting here. Please try to understand. First of all, I am writing here what this query written. What this query written? What this query written? This query written employee number whose age is greater than any employee age, can say, whose age is greater than any employee age. Yeah, you can say employee number of all employees whose age is not minimum. Why? Please try to understand what I am saying. Here E2 and E3 I am getting output. So E2 and E3. Now read each and every option. First of all, employee number of only those employee whose age is the maximum. Only those employee whose age is the maximum. This is wrong. Why this is wrong, my dear student? Because A is wrong. A is wrong. Why? Because I am getting E2 and E3. If we want A correct, तो आंसर क्या आना चाहिए था? E3. बट मेरे को क्या आ रहा है? E2 and E3. Second, employee number of only those employee whose age is greater than exactly one other employee. Exactly one other employee. Here you are getting two employees. Here you are getting two employees. Like here you are getting E3. E3 की एज 30 से भी ज्यादा है और 40 से भी ज्यादा है, यानी E3 की एज मेरे एम्प्लॉय नंबर 1 से और एम्प्लॉय नंबर 2 से ज्यादा है माय डियर स्टूडेंट. तो बी भी आपका रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. बी भी आपका रॉन्ग हो जाएगा माय डियर. नाउ सी, employee number of all employees whose age is not minimum. Employee number whose age is not minimum. Yes, E2 and E3 are the employee number whose age is not minimum, my dear. So C is correct. C is correct, my dear. Employee number of all employees whose age is the minimum. No, my dear, you are not getting E1. E1 is the employee number whose age is minimum of all the employees. But you are getting E2 and E3. So E2 and E3 are the employee number जिनका एज मिनिमम नहीं है. जिनका एज मिनिमम नहीं है. So what we can say, C is the correct answer. Or directly you can say here, directly, this is the example. I am assuming a example. So here directly you can say कि यहाँ आपको वो एम्प्लॉय नंबर मिल जाएंगे जिनकी एज 1 से ज्यादा. कहने का मतलब यहाँ आपको वो एम्प्लॉय मिल जाएंगे जिनकी एज किसी भी एम्प्लॉय की एज से ज्यादा है. या इन अदर लैंग्वेज यू कैन से, यहाँ आपको वो एम्प्लॉय मिल जाएंगे जिनकी एज मिनिमम नहीं है, किसी ना किसी एम्प्लॉय से ज्यादा है. तो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर for this question. Hope so you get it. Thank you everyone.